In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create a new job ticket from start to finish, covering all the important sections. We'll start with the basic information section. Customer name, start typing the customer's name, mobile number, or email. If the customer already exists, you can select them from the list. If not, simply click Add New to quickly create a new profile. Source, choose how the customer found you. Referred by, if someone referred the customer. Service type, select the service type. Job type, choose the job type. Device information, device type, choose the device type such as laptop, mobile, or tablet. Device brand and model. Select the brand are dependent of device type, and model is dependent on device brand. Accessories, select or search for accessories. Storage location, choose where the device will be stored. Device color, pick the color of the device. Device password. If there's a screen lock or password, optional, only if needed for testing. Service information, services. Select one or more services required for the job. You can search or scroll through your list of available services. Tags. Add any custom tags like 4 GB RAM, 1 TB HDD, or no boot. Just type it and press enter to save. Hardware configuration. Mention specific hardware details if needed, especially useful for laptops or custom PCs. Service assessment. Enter any details or notes from your initial diagnosis, things like visible damage, overheating, or missing parts. Additional information, priority, set as regular, critical, or urgent. Assignee, assign the job to a technician or staff member. Initial quotation, enter estimated charges. Due date, select a job deadline. Dealer job ID, useful if the job is coming via another dealer. Upload images, you can attach photos of the device's current condition, like scratches, cracks, or accessories handed in. Make sure to review or attach your terms and conditions for transparency and customer trust. Once all fields are filled, click Create Job Ticket, and your job is created. Now you can instantly send the job sheet to your customer via email, SMS, WhatsApp, or web notifications. And that's it. Creating a job ticket is fast and easy, and it helps keep your repair workflow organized and efficient. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're happy to help.